Have you ever wondered how to cook hot pot? In Asian countries, hot pot is a popular type of cooking where cooking is done in a group setting. You and your friends sit around the dinner table. Together you cook a large pot of soup. The soup pot is placed in the center of the dining table. It's very easy to cook hot pot at home. Did you know you can cook hot pot in 3 easy steps? Step 1. Boil the broth. You start by boiling the broth. You can use any broth you like. Chicken broth, beef broth, and seafood broth are popular choices. Some hot pots are divided into 2 sections. One side is for the spicy broth, and the other side is for the non-spicy broth. Step 2. Start cooking. Once the broth comes to a boil, you and your friends can start cooking. You cook by adding ingredients to the pot. When cooking hot pot, you will find that it's easy to lose track of the food you are cooking. I suggest using slotted spoons when you cook hot pot. These spoons will help you and your friends keep track of the food you are cooking. What are the most common ingredients for hot pot cooking? Dumplings are popular ingredients for hot pot. There is a wide variety of dumplings available for hot pot cooking, from pork dumplings to shrimp dumplings. Fish balls are another popular ingredient for hot pot. There is a wide variety of fish balls for hot pot cooking. You can cook with squid balls, seafood balls, fish balls, and even meatballs. Although they are not all made of fish, they all fall under the fish ball category of ingredients. Beef is another popular ingredient for hot pot cooking. Hot pot beef are not your ordinary beef. They are thinly sliced beef, so they cook quickly in the hot pot broth. You can buy thinly sliced beef from your local Asian food market. Vegetables are popular hot pot ingredients. Chinese vegetables like napa cabbage and bok choy are good choices for hot pot cooking. Onions and garlic can also be added to the hot pot broth. Noodles are often added to hot pot cooking. Fresh noodles are used so they cook quickly in the hot pot broth. Shrimp is a common hot pot ingredient. Shrimp is popular since it can cook quickly in the boiling hot pot broth. Mushrooms are popular hot pot ingredients. Enoki mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms are common hot pot ingredients. Adding mushrooms to your hot pot will add a lot of flavor to the broth. Step 3. Enjoy. Hot pot is a great way to socialize and have fun with a group of friends. You eat and cook as you go. There are dipping sauces for hot pot. Soy sauce-based dipping sauces offer a lot of flavor to hot pot because boiled food tends to be bland. A popular dipping sauce is made by combining Chinese BBQ sauce, soy sauce, and minced garlic. For dipping sauce recipes, check the description below. Hot pot restaurants are popular, and oftentimes, it is set up as an all-you-can-eat buffet. In Asia, all-you-can-eat conveyor belt hot pot restaurants are popular. Raw ingredients are placed on the conveyor belt. It's a lot of fun to eat at a conveyor belt hot pot restaurant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more food videos.